He is also the largest of the white cockatoos. There's also a black cockatoo. Yeah, most people don't know that, and they're very big. The black ones are bigger than him, but he is the largest of the white cockatoos. So you're not going to find one probably any bigger than him. Hi.
We were going to go to Michael's.
I love you. I love you. Come here. Step up. See? Look, I'm pushing my hand away.
Yeah.
He's pushing my hand away. He doesn't.
He wants to stay where he is.
Yeah. Oh, believe me, they have a mind of their own. I'm going to tell you. There's times I chase him around the damn kitchen table because he doesn't want to come back to me. And believe me, he knows how to do it too underneath the table where I can't get him.
Really?
Oh, they're smart.
Yeah.
He's got yellow ones.
He's got blue around his eyes.
Rudy?
Here, Mommy. I said no screaming.
He won't hurt you.
No, he's just playing. He's playing. He's just having a ball playing. He does this at home all the time. He hangs off his playstand and he'll swing upside down and he'll put his wings out and he'll swirl like crazy. No, I said no. You can't do that on Mommy. What kind of bird is it? Moluccan cockatoo.
Yes, I know.
Look at the birdie.
I have to go.
Yeah, look at the birdie.
Come back, I promise.
Your mommy's good birdie. I'm glad you got a picture.